I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's regular, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Thank you, Elsie. Elsie is one of our hero police officers. A few years ago, she was severely injured while taking on a guy bigger than me. And she was forced to retire, but thank God she's out here with us now. Back injuries, recovering, and she hasn't lost her voice. Thank you, Elsie. We couldn't ask for better weather. Hope everyone enjoys the day. We really have a special treat thanks to Cars for Films and everyone who came from far and wide. Take a look at those specialty cars. They're on a sidewalk. Not many cars get an opportunity to do that these days, as you know. You get tickets. Jerry and Mercy, we have to thank you. He brought the 1930 Cadillac once owned by the legendary, some say notorious Mayor Frank Hague. No one even close. He was a Democrat. And we have that hot 1969 Mustang GT. I'm going to make an offer on it after the show. That was in John Wick, the best of the two movies so far. John Wick 2 wasn't bad, but I like the first one. We have a lot of cars. I've seen things as old or as far as from New York. And we know we got some people from down LBI, and we thank them for coming a long way. Everyone enjoy the day. There's food to your right. And most of all, special, if you have any nicks or scratches on your car, there's something hit it today. Guess what? We had the legendary Wax Factory at the intersection. Now, this guy is the car detailer to the stars. All right, he's done a lot of celebrity vehicles. He's been heard on 97.1 FM with Funk Master Flex for the younger crowd. So give him a look. He's got some hot products over there. We'll have a few announcements later. Everybody get your collective T-shirts. They're going fast, and they're going to be going on sale the later you wait. Just kidding. And I have announcements later. Enjoy some classic tunes from Wimpy or even our man Pat, the DJ.